Hi, in this video I will walk you through setting up Fathom AI meeting notes to be added automatically as a document in ClickUp using Zapier. This will include AI summary, action items, all discussion points, as well as the full transcript. We will also add a URL of the recording to be accessible at any time. Fathom's free version allows you to generate AI summary and action items up to 5 meetings. For more, you need to upgrade. Let's go into Zapier, and here we'll choose a trigger. I've selected Fathom, and in the event, new AI summary. And now I need to authorize my Fathom account to be accessible through Zapier. Once I authorize, it will be connected. Press continue, and it should be triggered on my meetings. You can set it up for team meetings as well. Continue and test the trigger to see that it retrieves the meeting notes for you. Okay, we have the meeting notes here, so we will use this record for testing. Continue with selected record and then choose ClickUp in the apps. In the action event, within that I will choose create a new document page. Select my account for ClickUp and choose the workspace there. Press continue. And now I'll choose the workspace here again. And based on the hierarchy, I will choose a space. If there is a folder, I will provide that. And then the document, I have a document meetings under the operations space, so I chose that. Now in the name here, I'm providing it the Fathom's meeting title. So it dynamically picks that up. And in the content, I'm choosing AI summary markdown formatted so that the format remains the same with full description and action items. Test the step, and it has now created a document for us in ClickUp. So now under meetings, we have the document created in the same name as the title of the meeting. And here you can see that it's showing us the key takeaways, the topics, the next steps, which are the action items. And we can also create a new task and add the meeting URL there as well. So I'm going to choose ClickUp here again in the apps. And in the action event, I will choose create a task. Choose the same account then for ClickUp. I have a list here where I want the task to be created, and I'm adding a custom field meeting URL, which is a web field, so that the URL of the meeting can get in here. Now in Zapier, I'm going to choose a workspace and the space, the folder, and the list. And in the task name, again, I'll choose the title of the meeting. In the task description, it's your choice. If you want, again, you can have the markdown formatted AI summary. So just click on slash and choose AI summary. You can also add assignees, start dates, due dates, and task status as well. And in the meeting URL, I will type in URL and select recording share URL. So this will bring me the whole recording URL of the Fathom's meeting. So if I go here, you can see now in ClickUp, we have the meeting URL, and in the description, we have all the meeting notes here. And that's all we need. Thank you for watching.